today, guys, we're gonna do a taste test. First is the dragon fruit guava smoothie. Okay, we're gonna rank the fruits. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Solid 8.5. Like I love them. Like
I take like a 9 because I like that small bit. It's like crunchy.
Yeah, but it's also a little bit thick. It's thick.
Yeah.
Like thick. Okay. Very good.
Yeah.
And then it's a long time ago I have eaten these, so
Yeah.
I don't remember.
The green Pringles.
No,
I mean orange.
Yeah, we couldn't find the green Pringles, so we had to take this orange.
Yeah.
You take one?
Yep.
Okay, look at this, guys.
Oh, guys, just look at that.
Bro, it has a
Crisp. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. 9.2.
No, this is a solid 10 out of 10.
No.
But the green Pringles, that's better.
Yeah,
Like,
no,
I love Pringles.
No, this is not a 10 out of 10. It needs more flavor.
Like, yeah, but it's just, it needs a more pepper, like. It needs some more pepper on it.
Yeah, but is this yours?
Yep.
This is mine.
Yes, so,
Okay, then we take, okay, pick random. Okay, oh, this one, okay. This is, we're in Norway, so it's, this is Norwegian.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. And, no, we're not gonna spoil. Okay. Take one.
Yep. Just gonna open it.
Okay, first we take the red one and then the blue one.
Yep. So this is the red one.
What? Oh, you dropped it? Oh
my god.
Bro. Okay, no. 3, 2, 1. It's really sweet.
I would take like 9 out of 5. But guys, everything of this is very good.
Yeah,
Everything.
Okay, first with I think the red one is 8.2.
But guys, now we're gonna see if the blue one's better.
Yeah, but where's that? Where's my
What do you mean? Yeah. Oh, bro.
Okay, the blue one.
Yep.
Okay. No, I shake it so. Look, yeah. 3, 2, 1.
I think like it's a bit more flavor.
Yeah. So this is a 9.7.
Yeah. It's a solid 9.5.
I think it's a 9.7. Okay. I need to chill. I need to drink. Okay, this is good.
Yeah.
This is good. Okay. And then this is also Norwegian.
Yeah.
So it's probably in Sweden too.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
But it can be, if you're guys from Poland, maybe it can be in Poland.
Yeah, a lot of good snacks is in Poland. Do you take one?
Yep.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. A 7.7.
7.7. I take an 8.
8?
Yep.
Okay. This is the last snack.
I need to chill it down.
Me too. It's like very sticky in your mouth.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Okay, take one. It's really good.
Okay.
Okay, we have this.
Yep.
Okay, it's a little bit long, so
I think that's in Poland, I know.
yeah, I think so.
It's in Sweden, very much in Sweden.
Yeah, and this, bro, this is my go-to snack.
Guys, I like this so.
And just eat them. Okay, just take off a little bit of the. Yeah. Okay, this is the inside.
Ooh.
Take off.
Look at it. It's like the solid crunch.
Yeah. Okay. If you don't like it, can I have it? So just peel off let's peel off.
Yep.
Because this is the inside. Ooh.
Like caramel.
It looks like caramel, but.
Mmm. It's good.
Okay.
Mmm. I like that brown sauce.
Brown. Yeah. Me too. This is a 10 out of 10 to me. It has a lot of flavor, and it's really crunchy and sweet.
For me, that is actually maybe like I think it will be a 9. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan.
You're not a fan?
I'm not a fan. But I like it. I like these.
Can I get the rest? If you haven't bit on it.
No, what?
You haven't done this?
No, but can I have one more piece?
Yeah. Take one more piece.
Okay.
Okay. This is really good. So. Okay. So. These snacks are so good. The Norwegian snacks are so good.
I need to take it down.
Yeah, I need to chill it down. Okay.
Many people say that we're brothers.
No. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye guys. I need to end the video.
Bye.